Fáilte Rash, welcome back to your beginner Gaeilge weekly mini lesson. This week we are doing really the basics with introducing yourselves and being able to say our name in Gaeilge, but this is our beginner lesson. So the first one is the easiest and shortest way, and it is to say how to say I'm Jenny, I'm Sean, I'm Mary, whatever your name is. So this is simply just is Misha, is Misha, is Misha Jenny, is Misha Jenny. Balchella, another way is to say Jenny is Anam Dum. My name is Jenny. So my name is Jenny is Anam, Anam Dum. Dum. Jenny is Anam Dum is my name is Jenny. Anam is name and then Dum is for me. So it's basically saying Jenny is the name for me. Buccaneer British sound, just a little bit of a breakdown. Me in Irish is May, and it's E fada, so it's a long vowel, so it's pronounced like an AY, May, May. Misha is me emphasized. So in English, we say me, my name is Jenny, or that's my bag, and we put the emphasis like that on our words. Whereas in Irish, we actually just add little endings to the words. So this SE is an ending to mean that this is me, but emphasized. For in Irish is duh, just D-O. It's short, it's a short vowel, so duh. And then for me is dumb, dumb. For me emphasized, just in case you did want to know, is dumpsa, so it's S-A at the end. So you could say Jenny Sam dumpsa, like my name is Jenny, and that's perfectly fine. It doesn't sound weird in Irish like it does in English saying my name is. Now, if you popped any preposition like for into the dictionary and press grammar, you would get all the different persons. So you see the first person is dumb. So it's my name. Codisanum dits, what's your name? So that's why we have dits. Codisanum dits, what's your name? And you could say Peter is anam cho. Peter is his name. So this is third person singular masculine, and then D is third person singular feminine. These can be pronounced very and vastly different according to the dialects, so you can pop them into Aberdasha to hear those pronounced. Agus sinné go teachtan seo, that's it for this week. Gur mille maithe arís. Thank you so much again. Agus feicimé teachtan seo hugan and I'll see you next week. No, Jane Dammer, don't forget to pop your name on that beginner Gaeilge waitlist because we are going to be starting really soon in the month of February. Gur mille maithe arís. Thank you so much again. Agus slán go fóill. Bye for now.